Hey guys, what's going on? Just got done with school and high school, by the way. What? No. Well, actually, yes. So not no. It's only 5:16 p.m. Well, I got out of school at 2:30. So yeah. And I got my level 1 license, boy. So that's a good thing. Well, but still I gotta do... I don't have it right now. But, I'll be getting it November 6th. 6th. I can't speak right now. Why is that moved? I don't know, I'm just talking to myself. Okay. Well, tomorrow I am driving at 9 a.m. Going back to the school on a Saturday. So, I don't know if I should make this into one vlog, like the whole weekend into one vlog. No, because I gotta keep YouTube videos to 15 minutes, because that's what's required. Which is stupid. But I don't know how to change that. But, it works, right? So, not much is going on. And, I've just been watching YouTube. And now I'm making a YouTube video. Oh. Well, currently I am uploading my GoPro video from Tuesday. Yeah. Yeah, boy. It's pretty nice out, but I'm just being a loner or something. I don't know. Not much is going on, but this is just me talking for a long time. So, I'll just stop talking, okay? And I'll get back with you later tonight, maybe? Yeah, probably. Okay, so, peace. Yeah, 3rd gear, right? Yeet. Yeah, here it comes. In truck. Huh? There we go, second. Misty gear. What's going on today, guys? Yeah. I got licorice. She's gonna fire up the Ford F-250 heavy duty power stroke diesel. Woo! Hold on, guys. Yeah, start up. Not much smoke. Hey, wait up. Okay, guys, that's gonna be it for the vlog. And that vlog was through since Friday, and today is Monday. Monday night at 8:21 p.m. Yeah, I've been kind of busy, so And check it out right here, right now. I'm going to add in the video of my brother shooting. Ready? And check it out. Ready? Whoop, here it is.
Ready?
Okay, hope you enjoyed that video of him shooting. I don't know if it'll show it in slow motion or normal motion, because I played it in slow-mo, but I don't know. We'll see. So, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And the outro in 3, 2, 1. Oh.